If you're tired of messy emails and slow communications, Slack makes teamwork faster, smoother, and more organized. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set up Slack, send messages, create channels, and use key features like integrations, integrations and automation. So let's dive in. What is Slack? Slack is a powerful and team communication tool designed to replace emails and keep everything in one place: messages, files, and even third party app integrations. With Slack, you can create different channels for projects, departments, or topics, making team communication effortless. So, how to set up Slack? Getting started is easy. Just go to slack.com, sign up with your email, and create a workspace for your team. Once you're inside, you'll see the main dashboard where all your messages, channels, and settings live. When you will be creating workspace, at first it will ask for some basic questions. Once inside, you will see the main dashboard where all your messages, channels, and settings live. So how to send messages and use channels? In Slack, conversation happens inside the channels. This can be public for whole team or private for specific members. Click on create channel and click next. Name your channel as you want, and if you want to make it public, then anyone in AEX agency can see this channel. But if you want to make it public private, only selected persons will be able to see the channel's text. Or yeah, now let's make it public. It's ready now. To send a message, the type in the chat box, and the type in the chat box whatever you want to send, and just click enter, and that's it. Easy. You can also mention your teammates by using the at the rate, and here you will see all of the members. Right now I don't have any member in this channel, so it doesn't show there. And if you even if you want to send some quick if you want to send a quick voice or video, just here you can even record it with, if your device or PC has a mic, you can send a video, just upload the video, or it also supports share screen. And there are some best features in this Slack AI, which is, first of all, you can pin your important texts to the channel, so whoever comes to this channel will see your text at first. It also use threads, keep conversations organized by replying in a thread instead of cluttering the main chat. Also, one of the best features that I like is the do not disturb feature. Just click on just click on your profile to set yourself as away or in a meeting. Now no one can text you. Or last but not the least, great features that I found in Slack is the search bar that quickly find past conversations, documents, or even links. You just have to come here and type the text or whatever you can remember, and it will find that for you. As you can see, I just, yes, it's giving me the text. One of Slack's best features is its ability to interact with other apps like Google Drive, Trello, Notion, and even AI tools like ChatGPT. Just go to the add apps, and here you will find whatever apps helps you for your workflow for best, and just simply click add, and that's it. For example, I'll add the Google Drive, and it will take some permissions after adding it perfectly. Now after that, whenever someone shares a Google Drive link, Slack will preview it directly in the chat, saving time. You can also automate tasks like you can also automate tasks using Slack's workflow and bots, which can handle reminders, approvals, and daily stand-up automatically. So yeah, and that's a quick guide to use AI like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what features you love most about Slack. See you in the next one.